Choice Adept Properties, and we're back with Angie Wozniak from Midwest Lending for Mortgage Monday. Thanks for joining us.
Thanks for having me.
Angie, on the pre-approval letter, when you're working with the buyer, do you make it sort of a blanket general pre-approval letter, or do you prefer to tailor it and customize it to a specific property?
I'm a big fan of customization. I think it really depends on the buyer. Generally, I'm doing them specific to the property because there's a couple moving parts, right? Are the taxes $5,000 a year or the taxes $15,000 a year? So depending on how close we are to that benchmark of, hey, this is tip top of budget, if we're going beyond this, it might not work.
Right.
I'm crunching those numbers for my buyers before they're making their offer, so they know exactly what they're looking at in terms of payment and cash to close.
Right.
So I like the property specific pre-approval just so that it is tailored to your needs, and then also, so as I call it, not to show our hand, meaning if something's listed at 5, we're approved up to 550, but we're probably going to offer 480 because it's maybe priced a little high and it's been sitting on the market for a while.
Mm-hmm.
We don't want to show up with a letter that says approved to 550 because then I feel that a seller would be probably less likely to negotiate and haggle. So bottom line is it can be done either way, and that's something I just kind of have a conversation with the consumer, the agent, eventually probably the listing agent as well, and just say, hey, you know, what's going to make you most comfortable to get this done.
Good answer.
Awesome.
Perfect.
All right, great. Well, we will be back next Monday for Mortgage Monday, and again, thanks for joining us, Angie.
Thanks for having me.